Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code 16 in Sims 3. This frustrating error often occurs when your game struggles to save properly. A highly effective first step is to consistently use save as instead of the regular save option. This creates a fresh save file each time, minimizing the risk of data corruption that can happen with overwriting the same file repeatedly. It helps maintain the health of your game files. Next, let us clear out the game's cache files. Over time, these temporary files can become corrupted and lead to problems like error code 16. Go to your Documents, Electronic Arts, then the Sims 3 folder. You will find files like CAS part cache, package compositor cache, package script cache, package and sim compositor cache, package. Delete these 4 specific files. Do not worry, the game will regenerate them as needed. This simple maintenance step can significantly improve game performance and save reliability. If the issue persists, the problem might lie with a specific save file. Navigate back to your Sims 3 folder and then open the Saves directory. Each game save has a folder. If your current game is experiencing the error, try loading an older version of that save. You will often see files ending with backup or several numbered versions. Always back up your entire saves folder to a different location, like an external drive, every 2 or 3 game sessions. This safeguards your progress. For persistent issues, there are a few more steps. First, ensure your Sims 3 game is completely updated to its latest official patch. Secondly, verify that your hard drive has sufficient free space, ideally at least 10 gigabytes. Overloaded drives can hinder saving. If you use a lot of custom content or mods, try temporarily removing them to see if one is causing conflict. Finally, if all else fails, a clean reinstallation of the entire game can often resolve stubborn, underlying problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.